I'd been thinking about floristry for quite a long time now, so I'm a grower, and it feels like a natural thing to want to be able to do floristry from the flowers that I'm growing myself. Yeah, being on the course has been able to give me the confidence to be able to put combinations of flowers and foliage together, and aesthetically being able to create some beautiful displays, and that makes your heart sing. I think what I've enjoyed most about the course is being with like-minded people, having the time to be creative, experiment with certain things, and just have this wonderful environment where you can just be expressive and put some lovely floral combinations together. Potentially, I think I'll think differently about how I grow things, and particularly about what I grow. So I want to be growing the type of flowers and foliage that I know that I'm going to be using a lot of, and just what appeals to a lot of people, but particularly to myself. The course has allowed me to become the florist, to be honest. While ever you're out there growing, you're still the grower, etc. But being on the course has allowed me to kind of not park that kind of side of the business, but let that continue to run with my partner, and let me be able to then take this journey down floristry. Oh gosh, from the first day, I suppose you're a little bit wondering how things are going to pan out and how you are going to be able to express yourself. But as we are now, sort of like in the second week of things, I'd be quite happy to produce something and sell it, which is really what we're here to do. If any of my friends or anybody I bump into are interested in floristry, I would totally tell them to embrace it, get booked on, and just come along, because it's just a fantastic experience.